Sayyidina Anas ibn Malik radiyallahu ta'ala, he says, Anna rajulun qala li Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. A person asked Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Awsini, give me wasiyat, give me some kind of bequest, some kind of advice. Faqala, so Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, Khudil amra bi tadbir. Take the matters with pondering, with planning. Khudil amra bi tadbir. Meaning, don't just rush into it. This matter has come in front of me. Okay, I'll do it like this, and then think about how to approach it. No, give it its due diligence and think about the matter. Plan it out in your head and everything, and then carry on with it. فَإِنْ رَأَيْتَ فِي عَاقِبَتِهِ خَيْرًا فَأَمْضِهِ. That if you see that its output, its end is going to be khair, then famdihi, then let it be done, right? فَإِنْ خِفْتَ, but if you fear غَيًّا فَأَمْسِكْ, that it's going to become futile, it's not going to bring about any goodness in the akhirah, in the end, then hold back from it. فَأَمْسِكْ, hold back from it, don't do it. Showing what? That mental aptitude of applying your due diligence should be in every aspect of your life, every matter of your life. Yes. غيًّا. When خفت غيًّا, that is going to negatively come about. The outcome is going to be negative, right? Now that could be negative in this world or in the akhirah, right? Then if you perceive that, then stop away from it, right? For example, I'll give you an example. We may not, the whole family is being invited, right? Mashallah, and family is being invited to join a big family gathering. Lot of non-mahrams there, right? Lot of non-mahram there, and a person knows about his own family, that they don't care about no intermingling or anything. They just do whatever they want to do, right? So now a person has a choice: should I go to this gathering or should I not go to the gathering? And the person is, if he's going to say, like, his mind is going to have the ujla, and he's not going to have the dabbur or planning or anything. He's simply going to say, like, the family has asked, like, no, I have to go, right? I can't break the family, can't do anything about that, right? But if he's going to think about it, and he's going to realize, yes, this is my family, I love them, but they have this quality which is going to negatively affect not only myself but my whole family. If one time I'm going to go there and I'm going to give in and become part of it, then the next time I will not be able to say no, because every second time, every next time, the previous time is going to be a hujjah, is going to be an evidence. Oh, you didn't have any problem last time, then why you have a problem now? You have become holier than thou now, right? So plan beforehand, and then you can assess. I don't need to break apart from the family. I don't need to break the ties or anything. You can accept their da'wat, and then make an excuse out of it and go away. Now, if it's your close family, right? It's close family, then you're going to apply further planning and not going to be hasty about it. Because your maqsad with regards to your family is that even my family should in the end come to Jannah. Even they should not be in the end come into negative harm or anything like that. So you're going to plan accordingly and try to address it accordingly. You're going to make some mistakes and faults as per the last hadith, and then you're going to learn from it and then keep on going, making it right. Best tariqa in the family, since I have talked about it now, best way for you to adopt within the family corners is have your own mizaj and temperament known to everyone. Every family has one or two of those individuals. They say, like, wait, don't talk to him, don't mess with him, right? He's a very, very dry kind of a mizaj, dry kind of person. You don't want to make him angry. It's just going to spoil the whole mood and everything, right? So you become like that. Meaning, I'm not saying adopt a dry and suka mizaj, but let them know, okay, this is the mizaj I have, that whatever I am going to assess it through the lens of deen. If it is what benefits me, I'll do it. If it's not, I'm not going to do it. It doesn't affect my love for you or your love for me or anything like that. I love you all, but I am still going to do the same thing, right? So don't feel bad about it if I don't end up coming to one place. Maybe I'll make another time and come visit you personally, right? And most of the time that's going to resolve the problem. If in those cases they have a problem with it, then they have a problem with the dini aspect. Then in that case, remember what we have already done before. If it is for the religious purposes, then that is not called the breaking of the ties, right? That is the strategic step that you take. Okay, because the person is not fulfilling his duty, shari duty from his side, I have to still maintain my deen.